Hello, everyone, and welcome. Essential equipment for a successful bakery in Nigeria is what I am talking to you about in this video. Essential equipment for a successful bakery business in Nigeria. Starting a bakery business in Nigeria can be a lucrative business venture. However, to ensure success, it's crucial to have the right equipment. Investing in high quality equipment and reliable bakery equipment is essential for producing top notch bakery products. This video will provide you with needed guide on the essential equipment needed for a successful bakery in Nigeria. I have a detailed bakery business plan already written, and I will give it to you if you ask me for it. All you need to do is to request for it in the comment section of this video and leave your email therein so that I can send it to you. In this video, please be patient with me for a few minutes to learn the important equipment for a successful bakery business in Nigeria. This is Dr. Olubinga Adetutu TV. If you're a first timer on this channel, welcome, and please subscribe and share this video. Old timers, you are my successful people. I thank you again and again for your support. The major equipment anyone needs for a successful bakery in Nigeria are as follows. Number one is the oven. Ovens are the heart of any bakery. There are various types of ovens available, each suited for different baked needs. The types of ovens are deck ovens, and this is ideal for bread and pizza, providing even heat distribution. Number two is convection ovens. This is perfect for baking pastries and cakes due to their efficient heat circulation. The next one is the rack ovens. This is suitable for large-scale production, allowing multiple racks of products to be baked simultaneously. Number two equipment you need in baking is our mixers. Mixers are essential for preparing dough and batter. Depending on your production scale, you can choose from different types of mixers. Types of mixers are planetary mixers, versatile, and they are ideal for mixing, heating, and beating and whipping ingredients. The next one is spiral mixers. They are best for heavy dough like bread and pizza dough. Then we also have the hand mixers. These are useful for small batches and detailed mixing tasks. Number three is that you need proofing cabinets. Proofing cabinets are also known as proofers, and they are used to control the temperature and humidity for dough fermentation. This equipment ensures that dough rises properly, resulting in high quality bread. The next thing you need as an equipment in the baking industry is refrigeration unit. You need somewhere where you can keep items for storage in cold. Refrigeration is crucial for storing perishable ingredients and finished products. It helps maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Types of refrigeration units you can use in bakery industry are refrigerators for storing ingredients like butter, milk, and eggs. Freezers, essential for preserving raw materials and some finished products. Then you also need display chillers. This is used to showcase baked goods while keeping them fresh. Number five equipment you need in the baking industry are baking pans and trays. High quality baking pans and trays are essential for consistent baking results. They come in various shapes and sizes to accommodate different products. The types of baking pans and trays are as follows. We have the bread pans for baking loaves of bread. We have the cake pans available in different shapes for cakes. We also have the sheet pans used for cookies, pastries, and other flat baked goods. This is Dr. Olubinga Adetutu TV. If you are a first timer on this channel, welcome, and please subscribe and share this video. Old timers, you are my successful people and my backbone on this channel. I thank you again and again. Number six equipment you need in the baking industry in Nigeria is rollers, rolling pins, and dough sheeters. Rolling pins are essential for flattening dough. You flatten the dough with the rolling pins, while dough sheeters automate the process. saving time and ensuring uniform thickness. Number 7 equipment you need is mixing bowls and measuring tools. Accurate measurements are crucial for baking. Investing in a variety of mixing bowls and measuring tools ensures precision in your recipes. The tools that you need here are measuring cups and spoons. This is for accurate ingredient measurement. Digital scales provide precise weight measurements. Mixing bowls, they are available in various sizes for different mixing needs. Number 8 equipment you need in the baking industry is sifters and sieves. Sifters and sieves are used to aerate flour and other dry ingredients, ensuring a smooth and lump-free mixture. Number 9 equipment you need in the bakery industry or for your baking business are storage containers. Proper storage containers are essential for keeping ingredients fresh and organized. Airtight containers prevent contamination and spoilage. Number 10 are cleaning supplies. Maintaining a clean and hygienic bakery is crucial. Invest in high-quality cleaning supplies to ensure all equipment and surfaces are spotless. The supplies I'm talking about here for cleaning are sanitizing solutions for disinfecting surfaces and equipment, cleaning clothes and brushes for thorough cleaning of all areas. You also need trash bins for waste management and cleanliness. In conclusion, starting a bakery in Nigeria requires careful planning and investment in essential equipment. By equipping your bakery with high-quality ovens, mixers, proofing cabinets, refrigeration units, and other necessary tools, you can ensure consistent production of top-notch baked goods. Proper equipment not only enhances the efficiency of your operations, but also helps in maintaining high standards of hygiene and quality. Investing in the right equipment is a crucial step towards building a successful bakery business in Nigeria. This is Dr. Olugbenga Adetutun TV. If you are a first timer on this channel, welcome, and please subscribe and share this video. Old timers, my successful people, I thank you again and again. Now, everyone, go ahead and watch this next video showing on your screen from my channel. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.